Yo, what's up, guys? It's me, and welcome back for another video in B Swarm. And today I'm buying the coconut canister. Oh my god! Okay, let's go. I can't wait to buy it. I only need four of this coconut because I have 150 is a tropical canister. I mean tropical drink. I'm sorry. Okay, let's go. Put some magic bean, and we'll take like four coconut. We only need four. Let's go. Okay. Four coconut. Here, one, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, we got enough. We got enough. Okay. That's good. That's good. Okay. I'll buy it now. Oh, here we go, guys. Okay, three, two, one. Wait. Oh shit. There you go. I've got it. Let's go. It has 16 million pollen capacity. Okay, that's it. Peace out.